Are you concerned about how corrupt and out of control our government has become at all levels? The endless spending, unaccountable agencies, courts rewriting the rules, open borders, and politicians who seem to have forgotten the people they were elected to serve? You're not alone. Millions of us, young and old, feel it in our bones. The republic the framers entrusted to us is slipping away. But listen, believe it or not, this can be the best time in American history. Billionaires own America because they own Congress. But read the words on our Great Seal. That's your actual seal of office. The hard truth is this: the real problem isn't just corrupt people in Washington. It's that too many of us, we the people, have stepped back from our constitutional duties. We let our servants stretch the Constitution far beyond its limits until it became a distant machine that no longer feels like ours. A free republic can't survive when the people stop standing watch. For too long, we've felt powerless. But here's the good news. If we the people are part of how we got here, then we the people are also the way back. That's why Tactical Civics exists. We already have active chapters in all 50 states, over a dozen powerful books, training videos, and daily Zoom classes for education and fellowship. We offer a lawful, peaceful, comprehensive plan, beginning in our counties, then states, then federal, to restore limited self-governance. No violence. No more waiting for someone else to fix it. Just ordinary Americans learning our founding principles and taking real steps right where we live. Here's exactly how we're doing it. Our 7 key action steps. Step 1. Build a coast-to-coast network of Tactical Civics chapters in all 3,141 counties. We're strategically focusing first on growing strong chapters in 125 small rural conservative counties. Step 2. Learn the basic civics we were never taught. Understand the Constitution, our history, and the tools the framers gave us. Step 3. Pass county grand jury and county militia ordinances, starting in those 125 smaller counties and expanding everywhere. This restores the people's ancient oversight and law enforcement authority. Grand juries investigate corruption and issue lawful process. The constitutional militia serves as the lawful executive arm, executing grand jury warrants and summonses. Step 4. Push ratification of Article the 1st, our original First Amendment in the Bill of Rights, in 27 more states. This restores small House districts of no more than 50,000 people, ends big city dominance, and brings the voice of conservative small-town America back into our politics. Step 5. Have the new congressman ratify the Bring Congress Home Act. No permanent D.C. offices. 2 term limits. Public servants work from their hometowns online, with reduced salaries and no special benefits, fully accountable under the watchful eyes of the people they serve. Step 6. Launch the indictment engine to scan bills and hold public servants accountable for unconstitutional actions before more damage is done. Step 7 and beyond. Pass 18 more reform laws to take back what D.C. has unlawfully stolen from the American people. 3 powerful examples. The Non-Enumerated Powers Sunset Act, citizen panels with final veto over every federal budget line item. Unconstitutional agencies and programs get defunded and shut down. The Constitutional Courts Act. Congress limits federal court jurisdiction to stop judicial overreach and administrative law abuse, returning power where it belongs. The Secure Borders Act. Finish the border barrier, strengthen enforcement, and immediately defund programs that encourage illegal immigration. What kind of country will our children and grandchildren inherit if ordinary citizens stop participating in self-government? This is real responsibility in real communities. Tactical Civics is of, by, and for the people, educating, organizing, and taking courageous local action. Older generations bring wisdom and hard-earned experience. Younger generations bring energy and fresh determination. Together, we move from frustration to purpose, from spectators to participants. If you're ready to move beyond concern to action, we invite you to learn more and join or start a chapter in your county. Start right where you live and help us take back our republic, one county at a time. Visit tacticalcivics.com today.